Hi students, Grace College of Engineering, Mobile Application Development Lab, sixth exercise, Android applications for multi-threading. So we will go to create the Android applications with usage of multi-threading. You know very well, threading means any job or any process. So multi-threading means at the same times it will do multi-jobs or multi-process. That is multi-threading. So we will go to develop Android application that implement the multi-threading. So the procedure is same as the above sixth exercise. This is the XML coding. XML coding is used for design the Android app. For designing purpose, we are writing the XML coding. So here we are creating one linear layout. Here image view. On that in linear layout, we will create one image view. For that image view, we are using the two buttons. When we click on the first button, it will load first image. When we click on the second button, it will load the another image. But if both button will use the same thread. Okay, same thread method. Okay, we will see the Java code for this program. This is the Java code, main activity Java code. So we are now first the package. We are importing the package. We are importing the packages or classes for these applications. Next, image view. We are declaring the variable image in the image view format by a file. We are next declaring two variables, button1 and bt2 in the button variable. So to override every methods in the Java in the Android app is override only. First we are creating we are writing the on create method. So while on create method is called, it is creating new activity, that is a new page, new Android page. Okay, screen. So while on create, it will create a new page, Android phone page. Or that activity main is the object. It is present in the layout object. And this layout object is present in the class or resources. Okay. So button declaring all the variables, button and button2. We are getting the button to button. We are finding the button by using the method find view by id. Find view by id method. Okay. So this method is used to identify the button, which is the button 1, which is the button is button 1, and which is the button is the button 2. Okay, by using the id, we will go to identify whether it is a button 1 or button 2. Next, on click listener method. We are defining the on click listener. So we'll click on the button, it will listen which is the button we clicked. Okay, it is listening which button is clicked, button 1 or button 2. Okay, we will click on click, it is view, it is calling the object view. Okay, so it will call the object view. Maybe it is a first button, means it will load the first image. Okay, new thread. Here we are creating the new thread by using the variable new is the keyword is used to create the new object thread. New runnable, we know very well, runnable is the interface, but it is present inside the class thread. Okay, and it is overriding the method run, void run. See, note it here, void run method is there, and also here also void run method is there. Okay, two methods, it will do different jobs, but the method name is same. Okay, method name is run. Here also the method name is run, here also the method name is run, but it will do different jobs. Okay, we'll click on the first button, it will load the first image, and it will call the run method. We'll click on the button 2, it will call the image 2, but it will call the method run. Okay, both method are same, method names are same. Okay. So next we are setting the image for the button click. We are setting the image by using the method set image resource method. Okay, this method getting the parameters or dot drawable dot india1. So india1 is the image variable. It is passed to the drawable object. This drawable object is passed the India image to the class R. Okay, this R is passed the India image to the variable image. So now image variable is assigned to the image India1. So we are calling the activity through the start method. We are invoking the start process through this method start off. Okay, va? Okay. So this is the second method, run method. Public void run. You are calling the method run. So when we are calling the method run, it will post the image variable. Okay, so how it is posting the image means it is calling the parameter runnable. By using the runnable interface, it is calling the runnable interface, and it get the image India1, and it is posting the India1 image on the next activity window. When we are calling the same void run method, okay, multi-threading, this run method is used to display the India image. This method is used to display the image logo, any logo. Okay, so the output is, we'll see the output. It's running. It is running. For running purpose, we have to press the Shift plus F10 key. Otherwise, the green color triangle button. It is loading the image. When we click on the load image 1, it is loading the India image. When we click on the load image 2, it is loading the Grace College logo. The output is verified.